Hey, what's up, everybody? Tonight I'm looking at the moon through the telescope. Let me go ahead and see if I can turn down the exposure just a little bit. I don't know if I can. Here, let me turn on some filters real quick. Oh no, that's not good. No filter. Let's just do no filter. Alright, so we're just kind of zooming through the moon tonight. So far, there's nobody on the stream. That's kind of expected. To anybody watching this after the stream, hello. We're just kind of viewing the moon tonight and nothing else for at least a few more minutes. The current time, Mountain Standard Time, is 10:05 p.m. and the sun has just set. Currently, the only things I can see out right now are the moon and Arcturus, the red giant star. Let us go and sorry, my phone has been having focusing issues recently, and I don't really know how to fix that. Okay. Alright. So as you can see here, we are just passing by some mountains. Those are some pretty massive mountains. I would say they're at least a few kilometers high, which you don't usually see on Earth. They're probably bigger than Mount Everest. Wow. I'd give them a good 10 kilometers high. Now, let me go down here. Let me show you all what I found. There is a peculiar crater right there. And I'm wondering if maybe that's a volcano. My brother Hudson just came out. He's probably come here to say hi.
Hello there, viewers. It's me, Mason.
That is Hudson. Don't listen to him.
I'm Mason, guys.
Okay, we currently have one viewer. Hello, viewer. So we are currently viewing the moon right now. We can go over here. Alright, the phone is getting out of focus again. It has been having focusing issues. But you can see here we have the mountains again that I was talking about earlier. And then we can go down here. Okay, I don't know why, but whenever I go down, it seems to go out of focus. Kind of annoying. Alright, hey, somebody just joined. Hello, United States Country Balls. Today we are viewing the moon, or I should say tonight we are viewing the moon. Currently the camera is out of focus. Oh, here we go, it's focusing back in. If you have any suggestions on what to look at tonight, you can go ahead and tell me. I take suggestions. Currently it is 10:08 p.m. where I'm located, Mountain Standard Time. So I was doing it with my SolarMark telescope 70mm. Wow. That sounds like a pretty powerful telescope. Hello, failed muscle? Oh, apparently failed muscle is my brother, Hudson.
Hi.
Hello, Hudson. Hudson is also viewing the moon with us tonight. All right, so down here we have some craters near the South Pole. Oh, somebody just liked the stream. Thank you. And apparently that was my brother Hudson again. Okay, we have 3 viewers now. Hello, third viewer. So as you can see right here, and it is a little out of focus. Here we go. There's an X formation on a crater there by the moon. It's quite strange. I'm assuming that's just 3 oddly shapen craters that formed an X. Let's go over. Okay, it's out of focus again. Come on, phone. You can do it. All right. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see what we can see. Here's the dark side of the moon in case anyone's interested. Let's zoom in on this crater right there. To the one viewer who can see this right now. Okay. So here's a lava sea on the moon. I'm not really sure what they're called. I just call them that. We're just kind of gazing over it right now. My brother Hudson has decided to join us again. A full moon will happen at 21st of June. Yes, I'm aware of that. Thank you for telling me, though. I will definitely check that out on stream if you guys want me to. All right, and let's go ahead and zoom out of the moon here. There's the full moon, or I guess it isn't full. It's a crescent right now. Let's go and point over to Arcturus, which is currently out right now. All right, so I'm aiming the telescope, to anybody that's wondering. All right, chat, we're almost there. I'm manually aiming my telescope tonight. We are almost there, chat. I'm just kind of looking over for the star. We currently have 3 people on the stream right now. Hello to you 3. If you have anything that you would like me to view, I will definitely take a look at it if it is visible right now. Here, let me refocus the camera here. There we go. Hello, Noel. Welcome to the stream. Today we are looking at things with the telescope again. This is actually my first stream, in case any of you are wondering. So I just got a mount for my phone, so I can do live streams. And right now, and there it is. That is the star Arcturus. Right there, that is Arcturus, everybody. Current time, it is 10:13 p.m. and it is getting dark. I should probably keep my voice down a little. But this specific star right here is actually around 10 times more massive than our sun. And if you were to place it in our solar system, it would extend at least to the orbit of Saturn, I think. That could be another star. United States Country Balls, thank you for clarifying that it was bigger than the sun. It is about 10 to 11 times more massive than the sun. It is white right now for some reason, even though it's supposed to be red. And that could be because the sun is still setting right now. All right, we currently have 3 viewers. United States country balls. You mean archeries? Actually, no. I just pronounced Arcturus. I think you spelled it wrong. Sorry, bud. So Arcturus and another star by the name of Betelgeuse are actually expected to go supernova within the next 100,000 years. And you subbed. Thank you, Noel. Thank you for subscribing, Noel. And you also liked. Thank you so much, Noel. I currently have a goal of getting to 100 subscribers right now. It was just my 1-year anniversary a few days ago of my YouTube channel. United States Country Balls, thank you for subscribing so much, dude. I really need the subscribers right now. Alrighty, more stars are beginning to show up. So I think I'm going to stop aiming at Arcturus tonight. Let's get one more good look at it. Noel says, you are the second person to say my name correctly. I'm so happy. Yeah, I mean, I play Deltarune, and there's a character in there called Noel, so that's probably why I know how to spell your name and pronounce it correctly. United States Country Ball says, it takes time. You will reach more than 100 in the near future. I'm assuming you mean Arcturus and how it will explode within the next 100 years. To be honest, I'm probably going to be alive to see it. So if I still have a YouTube channel at that point, I will definitely make a video on that. Okay, let's get away from Arcturus here. There's another star over there in, I believe, the east. It is Vega, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and move over to Vega right now. Oh, wait, what was that? We just passed by something, guys. Oh, check this out. We found a star. I don't know what this star is. Let me see. It's just a random star. Look at that, everyone. Isn't that neat? United States Country Balls says, Vega is my favorite star. It's smaller than the sun and it's blue. That is actually not true. Vega is around 2 times the size of our sun and is roughly 10,000 degrees Celsius. But thank you for putting your opinion out in the comments. I really enjoy reading your comments, guys. Vega is definitely in my top 10 stars. I don't really have like a top number 1. I just, you know, it's up there. It's one of my favorites. I don't know what this star is though. United States Country Balls, you're good, dude. Hudson needs to say something here. I've just gotten word that my brother's girlfriend is going to subscribe to my account. So let's all give a big thanks to Hudson's girlfriend. For those of you just joining, Hudson is my brother. And there's a thing moving through my lens. I'm not really sure what that is. It could just be a reflection of something. Okay. We are aiming at Vega right now. Everybody, this is Vega. This is a blue star, about 2 times the mass of our sun. We currently have 2 people on the stream right now. Oh, everybody who is watching right now, I believe the International Space Station is passing over us right now because there's a white, rapidly moving dot over in the northeast, I believe. and it is just moving really fast. I would move the telescope over to it, but I think it's moving too fast. So that's nice. We had an encounter with the International Space Station tonight. I believe there's about 8 people on there right now. There could be less, there could be more. And I've just gotten sighting of the Big Dipper. So if any of you want me to point at a star in the Big Dipper, I'm more than happy to. But currently we are viewing Vega. My brother wants to say something to me.
If it says like one person on the stream, that's just me.
Alright. Hudson is viewing my stream. For all of you who are new, Hudson is my brother who has been watching me and joining me tonight. He's the one person on stream right now. I'm sure we'll get more people. The stars are coming out, everybody. Light pollution is looking okay tonight. I live in Boise in Idaho, so light pollution kind of just varies depending on the day of the week. Buildings downtown and whatnot, they turn on and off at random. I'm trying to focus in on Vega here. For everybody that's new, this is the star Vega. So, I read an article on Vega recently that states that there could be what is known as a hot Jupiter or a hot Neptune orbiting Vega, but they are still not sure. Basically, a hot Jupiter is a gas giant that is really close to its star and orbits very fast, and it makes it very hot. Typically, these range between 5 and 30 Earth masses. United States Country Balls, welcome back. I think Vega is a binary star system. Vega is actually not a binary star system to my knowledge. Sleepy Nugget says meow. Hello, Sleepy Nugget.
Mason, the only 2 people are me and my girlfriend.
I've just gotten word that the only 2 people on the stream are me and my brother Hudson and his girlfriend, Ray. So, hello Hudson and hello Ray, if you're watching. I'm assuming Sleepy Nugget says meow. Hello, Sleepy Nugget. Hey Hudson, is Sleepy Nugget your girlfriend? Alright, I think we're gonna stop viewing Vega for tonight. Let's, unfortunately, there are no planets to view tonight, which is kind of a shame, because I really did want to see some planets out tonight, but I don't think that's gonna be happening. Sleepy Nugget has said meow 3 times in a row, and I have acknowledged this, so hello 4 times. Yeah, it's a live stream, Hudson.
Dude, should I share it to friends and tell them to share it to their friends?
Yeah, do it. Let's get people on the stream. Everybody who's watching right now, go ahead and share this stream to friends who might be interested. And tell them to share it to friends who might be interested. Keep the chain going, everybody. Keep the live stream chain going. This is Vega for anybody that's new. Vega is a star 2 times the mass of our sun. It is blue, and it is over 10,000 Celsius. I know this, guys. We are moving away from Vega now. If any of you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know, and I'll try to point at wherever you guys want tonight. We just passed by a star. I think we viewed this one earlier. I'm not entirely sure which one this is. But it seems to be a very bright star and a very large star, so it's probably close by. I'm just moving here. Moving with my telescope. Let's take a look at the moon again, shall we? United States Country Balls, welcome back. Darkest sky are better for astronomy, since no light pollution, you would be able to see one part off our Milky Way galaxy. Yes, I am aware.
It says 2 viewers, but you have 1. Now you have 1. What?
My brother Hudson is viewing my stream still. Thank you, Hudson. He's decided to join us tonight for the stream. So, anyways. United States Country Balls, you've been here this whole time. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you for being a supporter. I hope you subscribed. I am currently tracking down the moon right now. We are going to view the moon again. We started this live stream with the moon. And I feel it would only be fair to look at the moon again. There's the moon's glare and brightness. Okay, and we're back to the moon. Okay. Sleepy Nugget says meow. Hello, Sleepy Nugget. The current time is 10:25 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So here we are just simply viewing the moon. We have 2 viewers right now.
Now.
That was my brother Hudson. I'm assuming Sleepy Nugget is my brother's girlfriend. Okay. So here we have some craters. I'm very sorry about the phone's focus. It doesn't like it when the moon moves.
Yes, it is.
Okay. The moon is very, very blurry. Oh, here we go. You can see the outer rim of the moon's glow. Sleepy Nugget says Hudson's sleigh, therefore confirming that you are my brother's girlfriend. Hello, Ray. How are you? And the phone's getting out of focus again here. Let's view the moon's north pole up here. Look at that. It's almost like we're flying over the moon right now. United States Country Balls says, I use a red nebula filter for the moon. It looked like a lunar eclipse. I actually do not use filters on my telescope at all. I like to see the natural light that comes from these objects. However, sometimes when I take pictures with them, I edit them using just the iPhone's editing features. I don't really like to mess them up too much. I don't use Photoshop or anything. I like to get the natural look for all of my things. Failed Muscle said meow. Failed Muscle also said hey. Here are some mountains, everyone. The mountains we saw at the beginning, I believe. There are some craters. I am so sorry about the phone's focus, everybody. And to anybody who might be watching this after the stream. Okay, it seems to have focused. Failed Muscle says, Mason, did you know the moon is made of chess? No, I did not, actually. I did not know the moon was made out of chess. I did know that it was made out of rocks. Alright, the stream's been going on for about 24 minutes now. Current time is 10:28 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So let's view the moon's south pole here. We are currently aiming at some rugged terrain right now by the moon's edge. We're coming up to some craters. The moon is looking very bright, very peaceful tonight. Sleepy Nugget says, the moon is really made of cheese because I bit it. I'm sure you did. Hudson wants to tell me something here.
You've gained 3 subscribers today.
According to my brother's knowledge, I've gained 3 subscribers today. What's my subscriber count, Hudson? Go ahead and check. What's my subscriber count? Go ahead and check my subscriber count for me, Hudson.
You're at 90 subscribers.
Everybody, we've hit 90 subscribers. Thank you all so much for 90 subscribers. Really means a lot to me. Wow. To celebrate, we're reviewing the moon's south pole. Brother wants to tell me something. What's up? Never mind. United States Country Balls, thank you for commenting again. You've been really chatty tonight. He says the moon was made when a large-sized Mars planet crashed into Earth and the debris formed the moon. United States Country Balls says 10 more for your goal of 100 subscribers. Yes. I'm very excited. Hudson wants to tell me something. Go ahead and tell me. I'm sorry, what? Oh, hold on. Everybody, I just want y'all to know that Reagan was the 90th subscriber. I'm not talking about Ronald Reagan. I'm talking about my brother's girlfriend, Reagan. So thank you, Reagan, for being my 90th subscriber. Sorry, I'm stuttering. Jeez. The moon is getting out of focus again. Sorry, my brother's laughing behind me. Shut up. So, in case you all didn't know, because I don't think I mentioned it, I'm going to be visiting my grandmother in Oregon tomorrow. So if she's, by chance, if she's viewing this video at a later date, hello, Gigi. This is the south pole of the moon. Alright. We currently have 3 viewers. To those 3 viewers, hello. We are currently viewing the moon. I take suggestions. If there's anything you want me to look at, feel free to comment. Comment the location of it, because I currently don't know where anything is. Hudson wants to tell me something. Huh?
It's 91 subscribers.
We've hit 91 subscribers, everyone. My subscriber count is going out of control right now. But hey, I'm not complaining. The moon has really not want to be in focus today, unfortunately. I can't imagine what it looks like during a full moon. But let's go ahead and let's view some random stars here. I'm gonna go. There's the full body of the moon. It's a little bright because the exposure is kind of high. There's no way to change it because it's a YouTube stream. United States Country Ball says, it's very interesting how India landed on the South Pole. Imagine what they discovered space is. It's so cool and so scary at the same time. I'm not really understanding what you're saying. Hold on, let me read that again. It's very interesting how India landed on the South Pole. Oh, okay. So yeah, India is actually not in the Southern Hemisphere. I believe most of it is in the Northern Hemisphere. So they're not in the Southern Hemisphere, but Australia definitely is. They get to see the moon differently. They get to see it upside down there. Some Australian stereotype there, apparently, that their moon is upside down. They also have an entirely different hemisphere, different stars.
You're at 92 subscribers.
Everybody, we've just hit 92 subscribers. If I keep this up, I might hit 100. Who knows? For any of you who are currently new, we are trying to hit a goal of 100 subscribers. If we can make that happen, that would be sick. I would really appreciate that. United States Country Balls stated Apollo 11. I actually do know where the Apollo landing site is, if you want me to show you. I believe it's somewhere over here. It's probably in camera right now. Now, unfortunately, the Apollo 11 landing site, if you wanted to see it, you would need to have a telescope as big as Earth, and mine is only 125 millimeter. So, but it is somewhere within this little area right here. Let's take a look at this for a second. The Apollo 11 landing site, I believe, is what this is. It's somewhere over here within this basin. You can see there's some mountains to the right, and then in the middle there's a large crater. Sleepy Nugget just commented, "Did you know that Hudson is smelly?" Yes, I did. I live with him. I'm sorry. I know you heard that. We see some large craters by the Apollo 11 landing site. Let's zoom out of the moon a tiny bit. That is beautiful. Guys, go ahead and put down in the comments what your favorite celestial object is. Me personally, my favorite is Pluto because it is small and icy, and holy crap. Okay, we just hit 5 viewers for a second there. We're down to 4 now. Hello to all you viewers. Today, or I should say tonight, we are looking at the moon. I'm up for suggestions. I will point at anything that I know of. Okay, we just went back down to 3, 2. Where are all my viewers going? That's strange. Okay, everybody, it is officially pretty dark now. So I'm going to go ahead and move away from the moon. So goodbye, moon. We are now going to point at the stars and the Big Dipper. Hudson wants to tell me something. I can't go over there. I'm making a stream.
So, because you have it as telescope, isn't, like, you know, for the title, isn't it weird how everyone who joins knows about telescopes? So, like, then you should probably change it to moon, because more people have For You page moon on your
Well, I
page.
mean, like, I think moon with a telescope is more on point.
But, like, everyone...
How about I just put it as moon live stream afterwards?
Yeah, just change it to moon.
Okay, so after the stream, I'm going to change the title to Moon Livestream 1. Mars, Venus, and Sedna, TRAPPIST system, Proxima Centauri, and more objects, and Maki Maki are my favorite celestial objects. I do know about the dwarf planet Sedna and Maki Maki. The TRAPPIST system, the Proxima Centauri, those are some pretty good star systems. I believe they're within 50 light years of us, making them near-sun systems. Mars and Venus are also very pretty. I haven't seen Mars since about June, July of 2023, but it's starting to come back out. Uh-oh. The phone is coming out of the mount here. I'm sorry about that, everybody. For any of you wondering, that sound, the motor sound, is just the sound of my telescope moving, in case any of you were wondering. It's annoying, I know, but I've just got to live with it. Everybody, we've just hit 93 subscribers. Isn't that wonderful? So, right now, I'm going to point at a star in the Big Dipper. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what any of them are called, unfortunately, but I am pointing at it. I'm just trying to get it to show up in the phone here. United States country balls. The reason why TRAPPIST is cool is because they have Earth-sized planets on the habitable zone which can support life. I did hear about that. The TRAPPIST system actually has 7 Earth-sized planets that could potentially inhabit life and contain water. That's a lot of Earth planets, dude, if you really think about it. I mean, we've got maybe at least 2 or 3 here that are, like, big enough to where life could live. I'm obviously talking about Venus, Earth, and Mars. Any other planet is either too small, too close to the sun. But Mars has a thin atmosphere and no magnetic field, and Venus is the same, except it's super hot, so... okay, everybody, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see what's going on with the phone mount here. There seems to be a bit of an issue. Okay, I think I got it fixed here. Oh, okay, what is that? Hey, come back here. Alright, I'm unaware of what this is here. but I think that might be the star we're trying to look for. If anybody can see that. Oh, wait, never mind. That's not the star. Well, I think we might have just passed it. United States Country Balls, thank you for commenting. You've said it might be... you said, yes, but Venus has a habitable zone in the clouds. So I did see something about that. Venus has a section in the clouds with near-Earth pressures and temperatures, and NASA has been thinking about sending what are essentially blimps into Venus's atmosphere to live. Anyways, here is a star located within the Big Dipper. It's a little out of focus. I don't really know why. Oh, there we go. It's back. It's focused. So this appears to be an orange star. Probably means it's smaller than our sun, or just around the same size. I'm assuming it's a few hundred light years from here, if not maybe within the tens of, I don't know. I'm pointing at, I'll try to describe it, but it's at the end of the pot of the Big Dipper on the top right side. It's that star. United States Country Balls just said, I see it is cool. I agree. I've been into astronomy a very, very long time. Probably around since I was 4 or 5. Failed Muscle just said, Mason, do you have Sigma Riz? That's a hard question. I don't really know. You can't diagnose yourself with Sigma Riz. Somebody has to diagnose it for you, I think. Sleepy Nugget says, Hudson does not. He's not Sigma. Like I said before, I know that. I live with him. And our viewer count just went up to 5. That's awesome. Hudson, what's our subscriber count right now? Our subscriber count is halted at 93. That is a lot of subscribers, though. This morning, I had 86, and now I'm at 93. If I'm doing my math right, that's 7 subscribers during this entire live stream. Thank you all so much. I'm actually incredibly impressed. Y'all have been so supportive recently, and I literally can't thank you enough for it. This channel is probably my future. I don't know what's happening to this star here. It looks like a black hole. It's probably the focus of the telescope. Here we go. For everybody that's new, we are looking at the top right star of the pan in the Big Dipper. I don't particularly know what it's called. I believe it's some Indian name, and I don't even know how to pronounce it, or I don't even know what it is. United States Country Balls says Sigma skull emoji. Yes, I do watch Matt Rose. And also, thank you. I am a Sigma. Everybody, more stars are coming out right above us and on the horizon. The sun is still going down. It's sort of astronomical twilight now. The current time is 10:42 Mountain Standard Time. We have 5 viewers, and we've been going at it for about 39 minutes. I may extend this to about an hour, and we've just hit our peak of viewers at 6 whole viewers. Thank you, everybody who's viewing. To the people that are new, we are looking at a star located in the Big Dipper. I'm assuming this star is around the same size as our sun. If any of you have any suggestions on what I should view, go ahead and tell me, and I will try and do my best to find it. Just so you all knew, I'm located in Boise, which is a very light-polluted city. So I can't see anything like galaxies or star clusters, unfortunately. The Orion Nebula I can see, but it is below the horizon for now, which kind of sucks, because that's actually one of my favorite things to look at. United States Country Balls says, I can see the star moving. Yes, you can, because I'm zoomed in here. You can see. And I also have a phone mount. Oh, that just made it go out of focus. There's no way to focus it, really. I wish there were a manual focus on this thing. Oh, okay. Shoot. Failed Muscle says, MFox games have been so Sigma that you fool to the moon and mogged it so hard that it got cut in half by your Riz cause of have. So I'm gonna stop you right there. You have to go back to grammar class, Hudson. I'm sorry. You just kind of have to. I don't understand. Hudson has no Riz, says Sleepy Nugget. Failed Muscle, also known as Hudson, says nuh-uh. Guys, if you would be so kind as to subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel, that would be awesome. We are at 4 viewers right now. Alright, let's go ahead and move to another star. Remember, everybody, if you have any suggestions, I will take them, and I will try and find the object as long as it's not anything deep sky, because, as I said, I am in a polluted city full of light pollution, and I can't see anything like galaxies or star clusters right now. Maybe I'll go out to Bruno sometime, but I don't think they have cell service to do live streams, unfortunately. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move to a different star now. Oh, I think that was it. Hold on. Hold on, chat. I almost had it. Oh, there it was. Go back up slowly. Where did it go? It just disappeared. United States Country Balls says, constellation of Scorpion. Alright, everybody. I am so sorry about that. Unfortunately, the stream randomly cut off when I tried to close out of the YouTube app. Oh, I didn't try to close out of it. I just tried to minimize it. To all of you who are still here, thank you so much for staying with me. I'm so sorry I cut out the stream. Let's go ahead and try to look at this star in the Big Dipper. I know, because it's still the same stream. United States Country Balls, my Wi-Fi vanished, but I'm back. I'm so sorry about that, United States Country Balls. Yeah, my Wi-Fi was fine on my end. It's just I accidentally minimized the YouTube window and it ended the stream for a second, but it let me resume it. So everything's back to normal and everything is good now. I'm so sorry, everybody. That was a mistake. I sure hope it won't happen again. No promises. That's what my telescope sounds like. Sounds like a person. Oh, hey, everybody, look at this. Here is a star within the Big Dipper. I believe this one is just a single star about the size of our sun. Hudson wants to tell me something. Go ahead and tell me.
Tell them you're gonna end the stream and change it to noon now, because we're gonna come
Okay. Everybody, after the stream, I'm going to head and change the name of this stream to Moon number 1, or Moon Part 1, I guess. But anyways, to everyone that is new, by that I mean the 3 viewers, we are currently viewing a star within the Big Dipper. I do not know why it isn't focusing. That is strange. Okay, thank you, Hudson. Hudson likes to give me suggestions on how to market my videos. But this is a star within the Big Dipper right now. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out there, just to give you a scope of what's happening here. Did you see the June 3rd planet lineup from United States Country Balls? No, I did not, actually. I was not around a telescope June 3rd, unfortunately, which kind of sucks, because, yeah, I mean, even during June, like the beginning of June, I didn't know about that planetary lineup that was going to happen. So, I mean, that stinks. I wanted to see it. I forgot which planets it was, though. It was like Mercury and Jupiter and probably Mars or something. Hudson wants to tell me something. Go ahead.
Can I narrate the stream while you control this for a bit?
Hudson wants to narrate the stream with me. I guess that's fine. Just don't, like, say anything bad. All right, so Hudson is sitting next to me. For all of you who are new, Hudson is my brother.
Hello there.
He is not British.
No, I am.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You were born in the United Kingdom.
I forgot, yeah. Bro.
United States Country Ball says, wait, hold on, be right back. That is perfectly fine, because we'll be here. The current time is 10:52. I'm planning on streaming to at least 11:30, maybe. Hudson wants to tell you all something.
Okay, so guys, if you haven't examined the little screen, there's a dot on it, and that's it.
Yeah, so the dot on the screen is a star in the constellation of the Big Dipper. Sleepy Nugget says Hudson is L. Hudson is not Sigma. Well, there you have it, Hudson. You've just got confirmation that you're not Sigma. Alright, shut up, Hudson. Dude, why are you crying like a baby? People are sleeping. Come on.
I'm not crying.
Alright. We currently have 2 viewers. Everybody, I think we're gonna go ahead and move back to the moon, as the moon is at the perfect time for viewing. So goodbye, random star in the Big Dipper. We're gonna go ahead and go away from that now.
Number 18 is the 18th number in the alphabet.
August 28th planet lineup. It's from United States Country Balls of all people. Hello, United States Country Balls. I did not know that there was a planetary alignment August 28th. I will definitely check that out. What planets are in it? If you don't mind telling me. Hold on. Let me zoom out a little bit. I know you guys can't see anything right now, but for all of you who are new, I am currently trying to locate the moon. The moon is at half luminosity tonight, which means it is a, oh, there was, go back up, and away. United States Country Balls says, let me check. The United States Country Balls is going to check the planets in the August 28th planetary alignment. Anyways, here is the moon right now. So now that I think about it, since we are looking at things more than just the moon, I believe we should rename the live stream to Space Live Stream Part 1. Does that sound good, Hudson? Space Live Stream Part 1?
Just give it Part 1. Because normally people don't have that on their For You page.
Well, I mean, it's like space and then live stream, but nobody searches up live stream, but it'll have space in it.
Yeah, it's just Space Live Stream.
Space Live Stream Part 1, because I mean, nobody even searches up just Part 1 on YouTube, you know? So I think space livestream part 1 makes sense. Ugh. Sleepy Nugget says, does it taste yummy like cheese? I don't know. You should go and ask some of the Apollo members who are still actually alive. The members of Apollo 13, which they were meant to land on the moon, but they didn't due to an oxygen tank failure. They're still alive. They are in their early 90s and they are retired. Hudson wants to say something. Hello.
It has come to my appearance that I have the Sigma Riz, and I have bitten the moon with my helmet off.
So apparently everybody, Hudson has gone to the moon and took a bite out of it. I'm surprised you don't have radiation poisoning and multiple sicknesses from doing that. Okay, wow. United States Country Ball says on August 28th, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Saturn will be visible. So every planet but Venus. Before sunrise, okay. Well, that's exciting. I may have to take a look at that. I won't do a live stream on it, but I will definitely do a short on it. Hudson, go ahead and check the stats on our YouTube subscribers.
Will do.
Thank you. Hudson is checking our YouTube subscribers.
Still 93.
We are still at 93, everybody. That's still a great accomplishment, though. I'm very proud. We are now at 5 viewers. Hello, 5th viewer. Since you are new, we are currently looking at the moon. We're passing over some mountains right now. It's quite incredible what you can see with just an amateur telescope. Especially on the moon. Here we have some craters. The phone seems to want to focus right now, which is good. 95?
Oh, no.
Oh. Sorry, everybody. United States Country Ball says, I don't think my telescope is good for planet. It's beginners. Those are big. Some telescopes are good for planets and some are not. My telescope, personally, is very good for planets like Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, especially. It does get the fine color and overall luminosity of Uranus. It does not do Saturn as good as it does Jupiter or Uranus for some reason. Maybe it's because it's very dim. You can see at most 2 of Saturn's moons with it, and you can see 4 of Jupiter's moons with this one. If you will check my older videos, you'll see that I've taken pictures of Jupiter's moons and Jupiter itself. When I got this telescope last Christmas, it was somewhat like near the Earth, so I took pictures of it while it was still very big in the sky. And those are my first pictures I ever took with this telescope. It was Jupiter and the moon. A plane is currently flying over us right now, over underneath the moon. I don't want to point the telescope at it, it'd be too much of a hassle. Let's go ahead and look over here at the moon. You can see a strange shaped plateau or crater, I believe. I don't know what that is. Have you seen the NASA rover capture solar particles crashing into the surface? No, I have not. Are you referring to the Curiosity rover that is currently on Mars? Okay, so I'm assuming you mean the Curiosity rover on Mars right now. No, I did not see that it captured solar particles crashing into the surface. I think that's just how solar power works. Let's zoom in here onto the moon. I know it's very blurry. You can kind of make out what's happening though. There's a big white...
94 subscribers.
Everybody, I'm at 94 subscribers. And currently the time is now 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. we've been going at this stream for about 54 minutes now. I'm thinking on carrying it on for maybe another 15 minutes, and then I'll bring it in for the night. Wow. I don't think you guys understand how majestic the moon really is through a telescope, unless you've seen it. You get to see all these craters and all this just geology on Mars, all this, whatever you call it. Okay, so hold on a second. I've noticed something here. So I pointed it out earlier, but there was a strange X formation on the moon, and it seems to have grown, indicating, hold on, right there, the X formation on the moon there. That most likely indicates that the moon is getting brighter. United States Country Balls says the moon is drifting away, sadly. I do know this, actually, yes. That is because of the Earth's rotation, and the moon only moves away by about 3 inches every year, about the size of a finger. So, really, you have nothing to worry about. The moon won't be going anywhere anytime soon. And if it does, then may Lord have mercy on us all, because it won't be good. Alright, so here's that volcanic formation I was talking about earlier. I think that's what this is right there. If you all see that in the lava area, I'm going to start being a little more quiet now, because I do actually have people in the house that are sleeping. That would be my parents, and my baby brother, who is 3, so I don't want to wake them up. We'll do a little of a podcast, and I'll be really close to the microphone. But for anybody who's new, we are currently passing over the moon. Here are some mountains. Let's go ahead and zoom in on those mountains. United States Country Balls says the moon won't leave us until the sun becomes a red giant and destroys us all. Yeah, actually, but by that time, the human race would have been wiped out entirely, so it won't really be our problem. And to be fair, the sun will get so big that it will engulf the moon and the Earth, so I don't really see why it would matter. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Let's try and get more of the moon in here. Actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead and get the full moon in here. In case you guys are wondering who's talking behind me right now, that's my brother Hudson. He's decided to view the moon with us tonight. Here's the full moon. Sorry, it looks a little weird. It's because the exposure on my phone is up and I can't turn it down. Country Balls, United States Country Balls says, I like the moon's black spots. I'm assuming you mean these craters right here. I like them too. They look very nice. I'll point at them for a few minutes.
Mason, you got 95 subscribers.
Everybody, we've hit 95 subscribers. We just need to get 5 more to hit my goal of 100. 5 more. That is incredible. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Oh, excuse me, I burped. I know I don't sound like I do, but I really appreciate it, guys. Oh, okay, I'm so sorry. I keep burping. We are at 59 minutes. The current time is 11:04 Mountain Standard Time. Let's go ahead and go down to the very bottom of the moon, near the South Pole. The Chandra 3 lunar probe actually landed near here on the South Pole of the moon to find water, or traces of water or ice, since NASA believes that there are around 16 trillion tons of water in the moon. They are located in craters that never see sunlight. Oof. I'm tired of talking, guys. I've been talking for a whole hour. I'm just going to keep my mouth shut for a while, and I'm going to let you take in the moon before I pack it up and go inside. we're gonna go ahead and fly over the moon. We're entering the dark side of the moon. Sleepy Nugget says Hudson's short. He's a few inches shorter than me, and I'm 6'2". So, Failed Muscle says Reagan has El Riz. I've never met Reagan, but that is Hudson's girlfriend, so she isn't Sigma, says Hudson. Failed Muscle, whatever. That's cool. It seems we have a small altercation happening in the comments. Let's go ahead and let's view the edge of the moon here. It's actually surprisingly smooth. Okay. It's surprisingly smooth compared to other parts of the moon. Wow. All right, here's another part of the moon. Sorry about that. The camera shook a bit. United States Country Balls says, I'ma leave soon. That's fine. I'm probably gonna pack up and head inside soon too. I'll just give you all 5 more minutes to go ahead and soak in the moon. I'm gonna go inside and get a cup of water. My throat is starting to hurt. I will be right back, everybody.
Hey everyone, yo, it's me Hudson, from the comments. I want to tell everyone, Reagan has L Riz.
Hey everybody, I'm sorry about that. My brother just declared that Reagan has El Riz, which I've actually never met Reagan in my life. For those of you who are new, Reagan is my brother's girlfriend. My brother's name is Hudson, and he just went inside to go to bed. And so will I. Thank you all so much for watching my stream. If you liked it, please go ahead and subscribe, leave comments. I will see you all in the next stream. I'm headed off to Oregon this week, so there probably won't be a stream. Granted, this is my first stream, so I don't really have an upload schedule of streams or anything. But other than that, I think it's time to sign off and head to bed. Good night. United States Country Balls says good night. Good night, bud. Hope you'll be in my next stream.